Really special burgers today. Using some ground beef, of course. Smash them up. I got olive oil on there, so that's why it's smoking a little bit. That's all right. Get your patty on there. This recipe is also going to involve some bacon. And why not just go ahead and cook the burger with the bacon grease? I don't know. Put a little salt and pepper on there. Just the beginning of the goodness. This is a big old patty. Get that out the way. Start toasting our bagels. All right, get these guys out. Now for the really fun part. Some peanut butter. And this is called Valencia peanut butter, which apparently is better. Like a lot of peanut butters have a lot of mold in it, but the Valencia kind doesn't. One of my more granola friends told me that a while back. So we're gonna put the peanut butter on one side of it. Ooh, it's hot. Doing the jelly on the top. I got some strawberry jelly.
Yum.
I always wanted to try something like this. Why is it so freaking thick? Goodness gracious. I guess this is technically preserved, so it's like a little thicker, which I like preserves. All right, so I think our burger's ready. Hear it crackling over here. Just slide it. Look at that perfect fit. Whoa, look at that thing. And we take our bacon. I like mine with a little bit of flop, a little bit of crisp to it. So this is like perfect for me. All right, we got our bacon on there. Let's top that thing with our jelly top.
Wow.
Look at that. Can you see it? Probably.
Yeah. Yum. Look at all those things. The flavors.
Like at a restaurant right there.
Yep. It's a big burger.
Okay.
How are you going to eat it?
Just gotta wait. Let me put this down. No. Ooh. I'm not even kidding.
What do you think about all the flavors?
Ooh, this is good. I can't believe I've never tried this. I don't know why more restaurants aren't doing this. Peanut butter jelly, y'all, burger, bacon, bagel. I'm about to start a restaurant. Not really. Not way too much work.